Check out this 2009 Land Rover Range Rover SC. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front side airbag, rear defrost, pass-through rear seat, navigation system, rain sensing wipers, power passenger seat, floor mats, child safety locks, and locking limited slip differential. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.